Earthquakes, destruction, fires raging through power lines. This is just a glimpse, a small part of what can strike any city, anytime. Let's take a closer look and see what really happens when nature shows its power. Let's seize. Snow in Istanbul is rare, but when it comes, it's chaos. Icy roads turn the city into a slip and slide nightmare for drivers. A dashcam caught the terrifying moment a piece of a construction crane fell from the 34th, the floor crashing directly onto a busy road in the heart of Manila. 1 second of miscalculation and everything changes. June 2016, Ottawa. A 5-meter-wide sinkhole suddenly appears in the middle of downtown, swallowing the road and part of the sidewalk. Chaos erupted as traffic stopped and emergency crews scrambled. Witnesses described it as an earthquake. A building facade suddenly gave way, sending bricks and debris crashing to the ground in a terrifying collapse. Luckily, no one was standing below at that moment. Now, THIS is the worst thing that can happen at rush hour. Traffic, confusion, danger, multiply that by thousands of drivers and you've got the perfect storm. Barriers are meant to protect and control access, but when they malfunction, they become a danger of their own. This one took out everything in its way, including the car that triggered it. Oh, dude, oh my God, it's totally flooded. This driver didn't stand a chance. One wrong turn into deep floodwater, and the car was done for. The camera catches the exact moment the vehicle disappears beneath the surface. Imagine torrential rain and no working traffic lights. That's what drivers in Beijing faced. Rush hour turned into total gridlock, a city brought to its knees. First came the flood. Then, as temperatures plummeted, the water froze solid. Entire cities were left without power, water, or heat, forced to survive in a frozen world.
This is salvage yard, tow yard in Boulder, and all these cars, some older people.
In just 5 days, northern Colorado got over 30 chem of rain, 10 times the monthly average. Parking lots submerged, cars destroyed, and residents evacuated. Over 100 vehicles were pulled from a single flooded garage, each one a total loss.
And another example of the flooding destruction. Take a look at this. Car after car covered in mud and insulation. Tow truck operators pulling more than 100 vehicles from a parking garage that had flooded here at the Fraser Manor Retirement Center in Boulder. As you can see, these cars will be a total loss, and once they're out of the garage, the mud left behind will take flight.
In large buildings, rain can become a deadly threat. Watch as intense rainfall causes the roof of a supermarket to give way, water pouring through like a waterfall.
Вы найдете слова об удовлетворении правосудия Божьей в наших догматических учениях. Вы найдете.
If this video shocked, amazed, or intrigued you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real moments from around the world.